spell it? Give me your right.
Okay, my name is Mark S. Hart, M-A-R-K, H-A-R-T, Major, Arkansas Air National Guard.
And I guess, tell me what you guys are doing now.
Well, we're Arkansans helping Arkansans. We're patrolling the interstates and byways, providing safety, wellness checks, and ensuring that the welfare of our citizens are maintained for stranded motorists.
I guess kind of walk me through what you guys do in case you see a stranded motorist.
In case we see a stranded motorist, first of all, we're going to pull in behind them, make sure that we provide safety so that no one will come up on them in too big of a hurry. We provide food and water in emergency, and in extreme cases, we do have a little bit of gasoline should they have run out, be stranded, and there is an emergency with life or limb that may impede that they need some warmth.
I guess how many cars have you guys seen so far help?
I don't have an answer for that.
Well, yes, I mean, have you guys seen more than 10, or is this something you guys seen a few long distance kind of sparing, or have you guys seen quite a few drivers?
We've seen just our unit. We have seen probably about a dozen drivers so far on I-30 eastbound. It's a parking lot, and they are very busy. They have seen multiple. I-40 eastbound is a parking lot, and it is very busy.
I guess tell me why you guys are here right now.
Where we're here right now, we're on 430. We're up this slick hill, providing assistance to motorists who are having trouble getting up the hill, ensuring that they get up the hill properly, and then if they don't, providing the necessary safety items that they need to be safe.
How long have you guys been here, and how long have you been at
We started out at 6 o'clock this morning, and I do not have an answer for how long we're going to remain.
All right, so Major, what's it mean to you to be an Arkansas and in the Guard? What's this mean, related to you being a Guardsman? What do you do in real life?
I'm a full-time Guardsman. I'm a technician in logistics, and what this means to me, it's a chance for me to help my fellow Arkansans. Hey, it's the most rewarding thing when you can give them, be a good neighbor, show kindness and respect, and help them in any way that they can, any manner. It's an honor and a privilege to help your neighbor in their times of need.
I guess tell me what some of these people that you've helped have said back to you.
They're very gracious. They thank us, and they're very grateful, and the thank yous are very appreciated.